Hi, this is Chelsea from GK.
Hello, this is Tata from GK.
Today our topic is how GK UVC light made life cleaner and safer. Everyone knows that under the situation of coronavirus spread all over the world, more and more people start to concern about their health. One of very popular item is UVC products, especially the demand of UVC lines are getting higher and higher. Recently, some authoritative research proved that UVC can kill 99.99% coronavirus in a very short time. We all know UVC hurts people, so how GK UVC lines make life cleaner and also safer?
Yes, when we search the keywords UVC lens on Google, you will see a lot of different UVC lens from low wattages to high wattages and for different applications. As you can see, this lens we bought from Amazon and it is 60 watts and it is just called 60 watts and like a cold lamp, right?
Yes, just like our traditional LED town lamp, it's very similar.
Yeah, but we have used our radiation test machine
Yeah.
to test this lens and with GK UVC same wattage light.
So it's really kill virus.
Yeah, the result is we find that the result is this lens radiation intensity is much lower than GK UVC lens. It's about 100 times.
Oh, that low. So that means that probably, although they call it as a UVC light, actually it doesn't work.
Yeah, just for example, we use this lens to disinfect for 100 hours.
Wow.
We use our UVC lamps, GK UVC lamps, just for 1 hour.
Oh
the
my
same
gosh.
effectiveness.
100 hours with 1 hour.
Do you know why?
Why? Please explain me.
Because as you can see, this lens is full spectrum, and there's a little spectrum only used for disinfections. So very low disinfections effect.
So as far as I know, for UVC products, the rate shall be 254 nanometer, right?
Yeah, this is the best for the disinfections.
So actually, we taste it. It's not. It's food. They have different rice.
Yeah, it have different wavelengths. It's very immersive and impure.
Okay, so it's like a fake product.
You can say like that.
Okay.
So-called.
Yeah, so-called UVC product. Actually not. So most of UVC lights in the market are not safe enough. When you turn on the UVC lamp, they don't have the delay button to let people leave when UVC lights start to work, right?
Yes, when I searched the Googles, I searched some material about the UVC lens. Most of them they don't have the they have the concerns about the safety.
So, for example, if some unintended raising happen while UVC lines are working, like if you are using UVC lines to kill the virus at your dining room, for example, one of your friends stop by and coming to your home.
The friends didn't know the UVC is working.
Yeah, if you buy this normal UVC line in the market, your friend might be hurt by the UVC rays.
Yes, the UVC is harmful to human bodies, to their skin and to their eyes.
Yes, and also probably you use the UVC lines in your office. Also, some visitors don't know that. and enter it, it will also get hurt.
Terrible.
Yeah, so that is to say the safety for the UVC products is really, really important.
I agree with you.
Yes. So, how to avoid those unexpected dangers? Here, Chelsea would like to introduce GK UVC lines, U10 series, and U12 series for the two features. They will solve all of your problems. For this, we have the PIR sensor.
Yes, U10. This is U10.
Yeah, this is the U10 UVC compatible series. For this, we have the PIR sensor, microwave sensor, to double insurance. For example, if you use our GK UVC lines in your home, no matter who comes in, the microwave or PIR sensor will detect if the movements, it will still working. So it's very safe. Also for this product, for GK U12 UVC2 features also have the PIR sensor and microwave sensor. It also safe for double insurance.
So GK have decided how many safety factors for these lines?
At least 3.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me show you the first safety designs for the UVC lens. Okay, let's use the U10 example. Every U10 we will send one remote control here. The first one I would like to say is the unlock buttons. Okay,
We can show closer to our.
this is lock buttons.
Yes, this is lock buttons.
Yes. And this lock buttons, as you can see, if you have the lock buttons, when we decide this, we take the children as concerns. Just like if first we need to unlock the button and then press any buttons on the remote control,
Yes.
then it works.
So we designed this just for the children.
Not for children, just for the children, for more safety.
Or more safety.
Yes. If you just like, for example, if you buy a UVC lamp with a remote control, but without the lock buttons, when the UVC lamp finishes working, but still power on, but there is some kids at home. The kids may find the remote control at the table, and they will chase them as a toy and place it, and they will press some buttons on the remote control.
Yes.
It will make the UVC lamp working.
I see.
If the elders didn't notice that will be very dangerous.
Yes.
So our GK's UVC lamp remote control have at the lock button here.
Yes.
And as you can see, here's another option for the time settings,
Yes.
like 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes,
So we have.
and 120 minutes.
That's perfect. It's really convenient.
Yes, both options for people's choices. And we can see like that if we don't have the time settings, you turn on a UVC lamp, but you go to do another things, you forget to turn off when the UVC lamp have worked enough time.
It lights things I wear there because I always got a very bad memory.
The human disguise.
Yeah.
Just like, but when you come back, it wastes a lot of energies. So we decide the time setting function here.
Perfect. I like it. It's really good for bad memory people like me.
We can see the second safety designs for the UVC lens.
Yes, we can show to our audience. It's very important part. Second part.
Yeah, the second part is for the time.
The timer.
Yes, Tana, we have already said about this is the buzzer.
This is a buzzer.
Yeah, amazing design.
But I remember when we purchased for this product, they don't have a buzzer or what? Oh, no, they don't have.
Of course, they don't have. They just install in the socket and turn the remote control, and it works.
Oh, see, the function is really simple. Only have the on and off and 3 timer function. It's very simple. Please remember, my friends, this is not GK product. Okay, this is we purchased from the Amazon. It's a very normal product at the market.
You can buy them in any
place. Yes, that's okay. So we go back to our products. You can introduce us about this.
This is the buzzer.
It's a buzzer.
Yeah. We can take this U10 as an example.
Yes.
Like now, Chelsea will introduce the buzzer function for you.
Okay. For this buzzer function is very simple. You know, they have buzzer and 20-second delay design. For example, when you turn on the GK UVC comments, before it really works, it will has 20-second time for buzzer like
Yeah.
We're gonna warn people, and the frequency will get faster and faster. So you will get nervous, and then you will run away. So you want her to.
So
right?
that's safe.
Yes. Can you show us for this?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I will show you the buzzer functions here.
Mhm.
We use the remote control.
Yes.
For this U10.
Mhm. Oh yeah, D. Okay, D.
You can hear this.
It will like 20 seconds, but probably we will show you guys like 15 seconds. Not we don't want it war here.
Go fast.
Yeah, get faster. Oh, stop. Please stop.
Okay.
I don't want to be explode under UVC, guys.
I will protect you.
Okay. Thank you. So,
I think the 20 seconds is very important.
yes,
Because it offers enough time for human to leave the room, to leave the disinfection airs.
yes, it's just like running from danger time.
Like earthquake.
Yes, kind of like that. So yeah, personally, I think it's very important for this. You know, because most of their product at the market they don't have this function. So this is also one of our bullet points.
Yeah, and some of my customers, they told me when they want to ask some sample to test the market, but they are very frustrated when they receive some sample like this.
Okay, this is not GK product. Again, okay.
Yeah, and so they don't have the confidence in other suppliers' sample. So she asked me, so Tata, what can you offer to us to tell the customers
Yes.
the UVC lens is safest?
Yes. So
And-
we can prove that.
Yeah, as we all know, for a long period of time, safety is the biggest concern
Yes.
for the people to buy the UVC lens. But now we have the solutions.
Yes. Nice. That's perfect.
Okay, so we go on the third design function for the safety.
Yes, please.
Okay, we still take the U10 as an example. As you can see here, we have designed two kinds of sensor here. One is microwave and one is PIR. And you can see here
Yes,
closely.
Yes, closer.
Yeah, this is PIR. Well, not just one PIR. We have 3 PIR.
Oh, just like 3D.
Yes.
It will protect you without anger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this also one microwave here.
Yeah.
And as you know, Chelsea, the PIR sensor and microwave sensor, they have different product characteristics and working theories. So we combine the two sensors
Together.
features together.
Yeah.
So they can detect any directions. So when the people come by, pass by any directions, our sensor will detect them.
Yeah.
And the light will turn off automatically
Wow.
when the sensors detect any movements. So
Yes.
it's safe.
Yeah, it's safe.
So for example, here is a working UVC lamp in a meeting room.
Yes.
But there may be some people they don't know there is a UVC lamps working here.
Oh,
They open the door,
and breaking.
Not breaking. The lens will turn off automatically.
Okay.
So don't worry about that.
Yeah. I like this design really. It's really safe.
Although we add some cost, but we think this safety also comes first in our companies.
Yes.
Do you like these sensors? And we have some video on our YouTube.
Yes.
You can test how the sensor works.
Yes. Okay, so after 20 minutes introduction about GK UVC products, for our features, now I would like to introduce you the features, two features.
Okay, we just take the U10 as an example.
Yes.
Now we will have a detailed introduction about the inner light.
Yeah, for this product, the safety design concept is similar as GK UVC cone lens. So we also have the butters and 30-second delay design.
Yeah.
When you turn on the GK UVC light, before it works, they're gonna have 20 seconds for buttering like DDDD. Before we already show you what it is. And the frequency will get faster and faster to want people to run away. So that you won't be exposed under the UVC light.
Yeah. So here's only one microwave. We have to do some tests, and we think that's enough.
Yes, it's enough. We have already tested. It's reliable and safe enough.
So maybe we can tell tell some application for our friends.
Yes, it's very simple. For the application of GK UVC cone lens and GK UVC tube features, you can use at home, at school, like the classroom, like the dining room, like the clinic. Also for the ambulance.
So
Yeah,
for many places.
yes, is I think killing the virus is a very, very important thing. So basically, anywhere, any place you want to kill the virus, you can use GK UVC lens.
Just like you mentioned, the hotel and classroom, canteen, or something like that. This is for a lot of people here every day, right?
So we must kill the virus.
It
For more
needs-
safety and more healthy.
It needs high efficiency UVC lens
Yeah.
to kill the virus, to kill the battery in short time.
Yes. For example, one of my customers, they want to buy the U10 UVC cone lens to use in the hotel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for the hotel, and they have the different size of the hotel, probably like the 16 square meter and 80 square meter. I already giving different solutions how to buy GK UVC cone lens and how it can work the highest efficiency. So we can offer you the best solutions if you want to buy GK UVC lens. We can teach you how to use it.
Yes. Also, I have obviously inquired about can this UVC lens used in ambulance?
Ambulance. Basically, we introduce the features also.
Yeah, this one.
Yes, this one, because one of our customers already buy their samples and install in ambulance.
This one.
Yes. For this, we can use inside the ambulance to kill the virus. It's very convenient. So from this point, we also know that the market for GK UVC lines is really big.
Yeah.
Ambulance. How many ambulance all over the world? We can think about that.
No idea.
No idea.
Do you know how many pieces, how many hairs on your head?
No.
Like the same concept. Okay. So we have seen that this is Lysol, right?
Sorry.
Now this is the Lysol, right?
Yes, this is the lecture.
We can see some new friends come in.
Yes. Hi, if you like us, please give us a like. Appreciate.
Yeah, because we are doing the Lysol. If you have any questions, please leave them message here. Our coaches will help you.
Yes. And I also like to talk with you if you want. Okay?
And as we can see, now in China, the COVID-19 situation is getting better and better.
Yes.
But in the other places,
They are
like
not.
Brazil and Europeans,
Yes.
USA, or
Yes.
some or even Africans.
Yes, we saw the news every day. Yeah, I really concerned about that. I hope everything will be getting better and better.
Yeah, and also have some good news that is
Yeah.
some research, some agents have designed some vaccines to
Yes.
test. So this is a good sign for all the human beings.
Yes.
And for the near futures, maybe we have some in Shenzhen
Yes.
because we locate in Shenzhen.
Yes.
Yes.
It's very nice.
And have you heard the research about the Philip?
Yes.
Philip just like they do research with the
Research.
Boston University.
Yes. The UVC lights can kill the virus, the coronavirus in 7 minutes. I think it's very short time.
Seconds.
Okay, sorry.
So the UVC lens is very effective to kill the virus, even though the COVID-19 SARS-CoV-2 virus, that is the COVID-19, and also the battery. So we have some, we also have some proof for that. So don't worry about that.
Yes. So I appreciate more and more new out there is coming to our live room. This is Chelsea and this is Tata.
My best partner here.
Yeah, my best partner. And if you have any questions about GK products, please feel free to ask us, type on screen, or you can just leave your email address at the screen. We will come back to you as soon as possible.
Yeah, and for GK, that is currently we only have two. One is for this.
Yes.
One is your tank lamp, and
Yes.
one is the linen line. But in the more future, in the near futures, we will have more products.
Yes. Especially for the UVC, right?
Yes.
We really care about this.
This
Care
is
about
our long-term product life.
Yes.
So we spend a lot of time, spend a lot of costs and people on these projects.
Yes. So you can be confident with us, and we also already get the test report to kill different virus with the 99.9% to kill the virus. We have the test report, so you can be confident with GK UVC lens. If you have interest, you can contact us. We would like to offer you, and we can teach you how to use the products. It's very simple.
Yeah, we if you don't know and learn how many pieces UVC lens should be used, you can ask us. We'll give you the suggestions,
and we can give you the calculation and let you know the best solutions.
Yes, if you decide our three safety designs, if you still have some concerns, you can let us know. And if you have some idea for the UVC lens, you want to design your own products, you can also contact us.
Yes. So after a long time sharing with you guys, we just want to tell you that our GK UVC lines make life cleaner and safer. It's really, I can say that it's really hard for you to find a similar product in the market.
Yes.
Because of our unique design, our product designed by ourselves.
We have all IPs, so don't worry about that.
Yes, we also have the IP. We will protect your profits.
Yeah. And for this, if you don't, we have the testing report and the radiation intensity testing report. If you want that, just leave us messages or send us emails. That's no problem. And these two kinds of products, we can access sample order now.
Yes, sample order is acceptable now.
So if you have any question, you can ask us. This is Chelsea.
This is Tata.
Yeah. So now maybe we can make a small conclusion about the our UVC lamp. That is, today we have introduced how our UVC lens makes the light cleaner and safer, and we mainly focus on the safety.
Yes.
So do you remember the first safety design? What is the safety design first?
Buzzer.
Buzzer is one of them, not the first one.
The first one is lock. Is the lock.
So our customer again.
Yes.
So our friends again. The first one
is the lock.
Safety side is the lock.
Yes. So especially if you have small children at home, probably they will take this controller and if you don't have this lock, probably you will turn on the UVC lines.
Yeah.
So it's not that safe.
Okay. The second one is
buzzer. Okay, buzzer. I already said that.
Yeah, that's your mention and the buzzer. Now, and some newcomers come in, some new friends come. So we'll show again.
Hi. If you like us, please like us. Thank you. We need like. Thank you.
So now we'll show the buzzer person again.
Yes. See, it will warn you. Run away.
Because buzzer is inside here.
Okay, stop it.
No, don't worry. The frequency is getting faster and faster.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the third one is the very important one.
Yes.
That is the 3D sensors, 3 PIR,
yes,
and 1 microwave.
Yes. Built in inside, right? We can see that.
Yeah, this microwave is built inside here. So this is the 3 safety designs for our UVC lamps.
Yes.
The same with the UVC con lamp and also the UVC tube feature light.
Yes. You can like it. Yeah. More information will be set by request. So if you have interest in GK UVC lines, please feel free to contact us. You can tag us on the screen for your contact information. Thank you.
Yes, now our light is also come to an end.
Yes.
If you like our videos or you have more information, you can leave us. You can also see the replay.
Yes.
After the live shows.
Yes. Appreciate your time. Thank you.
Have
a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Kể là,